Using templates is a really useful tool within TradingView just to help you organize your charts, and especially helps you if you're running numerous different strategies and pairs at the same time, so you can quickly go back to them without manually clicking through and changing the settings again. So first things first, what I recommend you do is when you load your default and you have all of the default settings on screen, is go to templates, save indicator template, click these two boxes so it saves the pair and time frame at the time, and set a template as the default. Okay, I can spell default. There we go. Save. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Also, again, I keep referring to when this watch list is ticked out, and at the minute it says templates, but when it's not, it's literally disappears. It's just this squiggly line over the bar chart. Okay, so just do that, you'll see which one's which, and you'll see templates. Now I've got a default template saved with everything as it is on screen. Now if I for example, if we uploaded new settings, let's say we identified something on a 15-minute chart with EU and you had to change the settings. You had to change 30 to 20, change the parameters to match the spreadsheet. This is how you would do it. Yeah, no science, I'm literally guessing. Press OK. Go to the 15-minute time frame, which is probably what the settings relate to. Clearly this is a bit messy and doesn't look right. I'm using it as an example. You would then go to templates, save indicator templates, EU, video test, save. That's now saved there too. So ultimately, if you wanted to flick back to your default, you can, and then you can flick back to the EU video test settings there as well. All very, very simple. Any questions again relating to this, I've also posted the TradingView support manual for how to use templates, etc. It's very useful, but that literally covers it too. So hope that helps.